stone. Her laughter stolen, dreams undone, her spirit overthrown. And still the world moves on as if it cannot see the darkness that descends on those who dare to be free. The streets are filled with marching feet, the air with voices loud. Voices surge like rising tides as sorrow breaks the crowd. Candles flicker in the night like stars against the dark. Their light, a promise yet to come, a flame that leaves its mark. Her courage echoes through the night, through the anguish and despair. And we will not be silent, we will not be unaware. For in the heart of every soul, in every tear that falls, there lies the hope that someday soon justice answer our call. Lead us from darkness, let the world be healed. May every voice that cries for change be heard and wounds be healed. The fallen daughters, sisters, mothers, we sing for her, for all, for the dawn that follows every night, for justice must not stop.